Hey, this is my 1978 Monarch Jon Boat. It's 14 feet by 36 inches. It's in really good condition for a boat this old. It's actually been redone several times. This last time my son made it into a bass boat, but just used some regular wood, but didn't put any epoxy or anything in there, so we're gonna have to redo those. This time we're gonna do it the right way so this wood lasts better. But lots of storage. Some of it's got wood framing, but most of it on the front side is all done with aluminum framing. It's got some water in there. It's got some styrofoam from a cooler he had made, a built-in cooler. And back here, this was actually a live well. So, plan is to gut this all the way back down to the metal frame, get this wood out of here, and start over. I think this time I want to leave out the middle open so it stays more balanced. Putting this much decking up here and standing up on this edge makes the boat real tippy. And we're going to have to redo the transom again, make sure that's done properly. See this DIY live well, sorry. He's got it in there pretty good. Trying to get this out. There's a bunch of rat's nest in certain areas. There's a big rat's nest right here and one in the back. So I'll put my glove on. Don't tell what I'm going to grab. So I'm just going to keep cleaning all the trash out of here and finish gutting this out. I'm trying to work from one side of the boat because this side of my yard's a mud pit right now. We just had a front come through yesterday, so hopefully it'll be dried out by tomorrow. But spend a little bit more time getting this boat gutted. And then you can see most of it already had the aluminum framing. The only wood framing was for that middle deck. So we're definitely taking that part out. And then the rest of this, probably clean up some of this framing. And then probably we'll keep the deck up until here. And then this part right here. And from there, probably take out these side decks as well. Keep this stuff open. Make it easy to get around in. And then we'll make a deck in the back. It goes from that back seat, goes all the way over. Okay. Here's a look of how this deck looks without the plywood. So you can see we've got the framing comes all the way up just to the original front. I'm just going to cut these wires and take this off, and then spend some time just cleaning out the rest of the trash. Once I get the trash out, I'll try to get all this wood out of here, and then switch it back down to the frame. See what this using this can never use open cell foam. Rats got into this. This was a little cooler. It's kind of a cool idea. A little mesh was on the bottom, and it was all styrofoam, and then this expandable foam. It just kept the stuff in place, and this stuff is just really hard to break free. But he had a little lid here so he could keep his drinks and stuff in there, and then as the ice melted, it just went down the back of the boat and went out the drain. It's a pretty cool idea, except for next time we got to use closed cell foam. Maybe even put it in some fiberglass first too. For this next time when we redo this boat, it's just going to be all aluminum, and then we'll put fiberglass, and I want to put like sea deck on the top instead of carpet. It's just being in the south like this, it just molds, especially being outside. I can't keep it in the garage. Got all the framing out. Got all this foam out. Just need to vacuum it out and then hose it out. Then we're going to come back and sand it down and paint it and start working on the reframing. A lot of stuff came out of this boat. Alright, got the boat all washed out, hosed out anyway. Where some of the glue and the expanding foam was at. Got a little work to do.